Auntie Ma, and baby, I'm back with another video, and today we're doing a VAJACIAL. Hey, yes. So before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up, baby. Let's get started. Hi family, so this video is sponsored by Shayla's Formula. If you do not know, Shayla's Formula is a natural skin and hairline, house made, baby. Okay, yes. So Shayla's Formula has two products. This is their hair oil, it's the Miracle Elixir, and this is the body ointment, it's the Relief Body Ointment. The great benefits on the Miracle Elixir is that it's made with all natural oils. All natural oils is house made. So yes, did I mention Shayla's Formula is black owned? But the Miracle Elixir helps with hair growth. If you're suffering from hair loss, if you have a problem with dandruff, it helps with the flakes. It also is good for moisture, and you can use it in between protective styles. Yes, if you guys do not know, my hair goes to the middle of my back. This is just a little preview, and this is shrinkage. Okay, don't sleep on a girl. Now, Shayla's Formula Relief Body Ointment is amazing for people who have eczema. If you guys do not know, I have eczema on my hands. I have atopic dermatitis, eczema. Use this daily. It's amazing. But you do not have to have eczema to use this. I highly recommend that you can use on your children if you're diabetic. It's great. Try it. These products are a must household. You do not have these two products, baby. What are you waiting on? These two are a must household have. Like, it's a family household product. Like, stop playing. Shayla's Formula Relief Body Ointment. Shayla's Formula Miracle Elixir. Like, what are you guys waiting on? Grab them. The link will be down in the description below. Do not sleep. Handmade. Look at this ointment. Yes, all natural. Go to the website and click on the products, and it gives you all the ingredients, the benefits, and you get to read supporters' testimonies. I highly recommend. So I want to say thank you to Shayla's Formula, baby, and their two products for sponsoring this video. I highly recommend. If you do not have it, go get it. All right, family, let's get into this video.